guys, I'm going to be showing you how you guys can get ringtones on your iOS device. This is a super easy video. All you need is GarageBand. Links below. And you guys, we're almost at 30 subs. You guys smash the like button. Smash! And subscribe. We're at 29. So now you want to open up GarageBand. Everything's obviously in the links. You're going to click add, create a new song, tracks, audio recorder. Now you want to click that button. Now you can click loops. Now you want to go to music, songs. You have to download it from YouTube, this song. Get it on your device. Go to audio file. Now you can edit that, make it shorter, do all that stuff, make the beat drop come, like do that, then have the beat drop appear. All that, and like it's that simple. Just keep on doing that till you get to your part, and that's where it is. And once you guys are done, you just want to click my songs, click select, click my song 7, click that box. Now I want to click ringtone, so it's basically very simple. I'm going to click export, use as a sound. This is a text tone. I'm not on an iPhone right now, so I can't actually make it my proper ringtone. So all I need to do is click use as a text tone, and boom, it should work. And you guys, that is how simple it is. You guys, all I need to do is like and subscribe for more. See you guys in the next video. I'm sorry I didn't upload it lately. I will try to upload more frequently. See you guys in the next video.